To-do list manager. Requirements. User commands. Year/month/day/hour/minute. Display all tasks for that minute. Year/month/day/hour. Display all tasks for that hour. Year/month/day. Display all tasks for that day. Year/month. Display all tasks for that month. Year. Display all tasks for that year. If the user adds the suffix, spaced w space, file name includes the extension. Save the tasks to the file named file name instead of displaying them on the screen. If the user adds the suffix, space rm space, task ID, delete the task with that ID. If the user adds the suffix, space, open quote, task content, close quote. This command means the user wants to add a task. Save the task information to the storage.txt file. If the user adds the suffix, spaced modify space, task ID, space, open quote, task content, close quote. Modify the task with that ID according to task content. Note: tasks displayed on the screen or saved to a file must be sorted in ascending order.